everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Brittany Janelle TV. It's your girl Brittany. Thank you so much for tuning in. So by the title of this video, I am back with another ivybox unboxing. So this is March. I know it's been like a month behind, but actually yesterday I had received my notification for my April box. So hopefully it'll be in time so I can actually post it for this month. So be on the lookout for that. If I have anyone new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of this unboxing, continue watching. So, as a lot, or if you've watched my ivybox reveals before, or if not, this is what the box comes in. So, which I really like. Y'all, I really wish I could just keep these boxes. I mean, I can, but I don't know what I would do with it, but I've always loved the boxes that they come in. So let me unravel. And as well, I like the wrapping paper too. So it's almost like what you see on the box as well. Okay, so recently, if people don't know, we had a documentary that basically came out about the sorority and just talking about the history and stuff. So this is what this card is showing. And so in this box is aka ivy leaf hooded cape, pearl earrings, and pearl and brass bracelet. I'm really excited to see what this bracelet looks like, y'all. So as you guys are continue to get to know me on my channel, I really love jewelry. I think I've said that before, but I really love jewelry, so I can't wait to see what that bracelet looks like. But yeah, this was premiered like last month, I believe. So I watched the documentary. It was really good. It was really nice and beautiful as usual. So I'm gonna unbox the hoodie cape later, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like so far. Okay, so here is one thing I really like about these ivy boxes. Whenever we receive like jewelry, earrings, bracelets, anything, they always put them in some cute little goodie bags. Is what I really like. Because knowing me, I'm always like losing things. Well, not losing things, but like misplacing them. So it's really good to have like little bags like this, which I really like. Okay. So, ooh, y'all, here's the bracelet. I like this. I like it. I'm gonna put it on so y'all can see. I look on mine. Oh yeah, I like that. Yeah. So I really like that bracelet. Okay, y'all, that took forever. I'm trying to take it out the little wrapping thing. I guess having long nails would be hard. But these are what the earrings look like, the pearl ones. They're just like basic, like ones that I have on now. But they're actually really cute though. You can never go wrong with not having enough pearls. So I'm gonna show you guys the cape. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to show you this hooded cape. Only thing is, y'all, it's April. I don't know where I'm gonna be wearing something like wool like this. Like, I wish you guys could feel the material because it's pretty thick. But I just don't understand why they send us things that will be made for like you could have put this in like the January, February, but like something like that. Like in April, no. So this probably won't be worn, probably not until like the end of this year, really, until it gets really cold. But I'm gonna put it on so you guys can see how it looks on me. Okay, so here's the cape. I'll probably end up just standing up so you guys can see how it looks on me. But yeah, this is pretty thick, I would say. And it also has a hoodie as well. Yeah, but like I said, this probably will not be worn until probably like next year, to be honest. Cause I don't even know where I would wear this to. But I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see how. So this is how it looks on me. Yeah, and like I said, it also has a hood in the back. Y'all, I'm gonna be honest, I feel like Little Red Riding Hood right now with this cape. But yeah, this probably will not be worn. I don't even know what I would wear it with, really. Like, I don't even know how I would style it. Probably, I really don't know, to be honest, you guys. Like, I really wish that they would start sending like t-shirts, blouses, just something different other than some fitness that can't be worn in April or like May time. Okay, y'all, so that is it for March ivybox reveal. Like I said, well, today is April 20th, but yesterday I received a notification for my shipment. So hopefully you should be expecting that April unboxing pretty soon. I know going forward, they also had like, was basically like on Instagram and asking, you know, people like how they feel about the boxes. And I know a lot of people were saying, you know, we would rather, you know, like blouses or, you know, like something other than like some outerwear stuff, basically. Like, I really couldn't wear that cape, not right now. It's too hot. So hopefully they've really taken into what people have commented and just said that they would want. So we'll see when I reveal my April box. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up if you like this one. And as usual, I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.